Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn about different ways to write a number. Now you may be thinking, wait a minute, Miss Lynch, when I write a number, I just write the digits. Well, there's actually 4 different ways we're going to learn to write a number today. We're going to learn standard form, picture form, expanded form, and word form. So we're going to write the same number 4 different ways. Let's start with standard form. That's the easiest way to write a number. It's how we usually write numbers. So if I have the number 36, I would just write 36. If I had the number 55, I would just write 55. These are examples of standard form. They show us the number with only using digits. Now, let's talk about picture form. Let's start with the number 36. To make 36, we've talked about place value in tens and ones before, right? And I know that I can use my tens and ones drawings to make these numbers. When I draw tens, I draw a line. When I draw ones, I make an X. So to help me out, I'm going to put my standard form numbers in a T-chart to show me tens and ones. I'm going to do it down here. I'm going to make my T-chart. I'm going to put a T for tens and a O for ones. So I have tens and ones. Now I can write my number that I'm going to draw. I'm going to start with 36. So I have a 36 here. So I see that I have 3 tens and 6 ones to make 36. So to draw this, I'm going to draw 3 lines for tens and 6 X's for ones. So I'm showing 36. I'm just showing it in pictures. Let's try 55. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to change the color of what I do for 55. I'm going to do my 55 in blue. So I'm going to change 55 on the top. That way we can see the 2 numbers. So first, I put 55 in my T-chart to help me draw it. I see I have 5 tens and 5 ones. That means I need to draw 5 lines and 5 X's. So let me do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I have drawn 55. I have 5 tens. I can count 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So that shows me 55. If I count this up, I should have 36. Let's check it. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Great. So now I can write numbers in standard form and picture form. Now let's talk about expanded form. Expanded form is when we take a number and we stretch it out, and we're going to show the tens and the ones. If I can do picture form, I can use this to help me with expanded form. Let's look at our number 36. I see that I have 3 tens, so I have 10, 20, 30, and I have 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to stretch out 36. Let's say it together. Pretend you have a rubber band in your hand, and let's stretch it. 36. What 2 numbers did you hear when you stretched it? Let's do that again. 36. First, I heard a 30, then I heard a 6, because I have 36. Well, when I look back at my picture, I have 10, 20, 30, and 6. So when I expand 36, I use 30 plus 6. I'm going to write 30 plus 6. That makes 36 in expanded form. Let's try it with 55. First, let's use our rubber band. Ready? 55. Let me try one more time. I want to listen to the numbers I hear. 55. I heard a 50, and then I heard a 5. Let's check our pictures to help us. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Oh, I started with 50, so I'm going to write down 50 on my expanded form. Then I have a 5 when I stretched it. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 ones. That means that my expanded form of 55 is 50 plus 5. Don't forget, we can stretch it out with our imaginary rubber band. It will help us. Now, the last way we're going to write a number is in word form. And word form is exactly the way it sounds. It's using words to write numbers. So if I have the number 36, I'm just going to write the words 36. So when I do word form, I write 36. That is how we write 36 in word form. Now, if I want to write the number 55 in word form, I'm just going to write the words 50, 5. Here's the number 55 in word form. So let's practice one together. We're going to make a new number. We're going to use the number 74. I'm going to write it here. So first, I wrote it in standard form. Now, I'm going to draw my picture form. Remember, when we draw our picture form, we can make our T-chart to help us. I have 7 tens and 4 ones. That means I have to draw 7 tens or 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 4 ones or 4 X's. So there I have standard form, picture form. Let's expand that number. Get our rubber band ready. 74. I heard 70, then 4. Let's try it again. 74. Okay, that means expanded form is going to be 70 plus 4. I can check if I'm right by checking the picture. Let's count our tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 70 plus 4. Excellent. Now I need to write it in word form. I'm going to use my words. 70. I'm going to spell out 70. 4. So here I have the number 74 written 4 different ways. Standard form, picture form, expanded form, and word form. Now you're going to get a chance to practice writing numbers in all 4 of those ways. So you're going to practice writing numbers in standard form, picture form, word form, and expanded form.